Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, you can see the picture in the video, right? Today we are going to study about snakes. Okay, what kind of animals are snakes? How dangerous they are. Okay, in the unit snakes in India. So first let us see pre-reading. Garden snake. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. But mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch his pass and tell myself there is no mistake. It's just a harmless garden snake. Okay. See, many of us we have one thing fixed in our mind that snakes are poisonous. But do you know all snakes are not poisonous? There are few snakes which are poisonous, and there are also some snakes which are non-poisonous. Right? The child was telling, I saw a snake in the garden and ran away because he thinks snakes are dangerous. The mother explained him that all snakes are not like that. They are very good. They eat away insects. Yes? Normally, where do you find snakes, children? Did you all see a real snake? Yes, we find snakes where there are trees, where there is water. Yes? Now, let us see. Snakes in India. What are the most dangerous animals on Indian subcontinent? Can anybody tell? Yes, some of you will tell tiger, some of you will say dinosaur, some of you may say cheetah, some of you may say lion. But do you know which is the most dangerous animal? It is the poisonous snake. Because these animals we can see and run away. But anytime in darkness or somewhere, if you go near a snake, if it bites, there is very less chances that you will be saved. They are not lions, tigers, or wolves, but poisonous snakes. They attack far more frequently than most people suspect. Okay, frequently snakes attack people here and there in the villages. Over 20,000 humans are bitten by venomous snakes. Venomous means poisonous in India each year. Unfortunately, the death rate from snake bites is high, largely because of widespread ignorance about snake and snake bite prevention. Why people die? Because there is lot of ignorance that they don't know how to treat when people are bitten by snake. If we are given proper treatment, proper prevention is taken, they can save the affected person. Also, proper medical treatment is often delayed or unobtainable. They will delay. We will remove. No, they have to go for medical attention. According to an estimate made by the World Health Organization, about 15,000 deaths from snake bite occur annually in India. Nearly half the world total of such deaths. Okay, in India there are more deaths due to snake bites. Okay, in India there are more deaths due to snake bites. Even for those who survive, it is dreadful experience, usually resulting in days or weeks of agony. Those who survive also, children, they will suffer pain, lot of pain. Take what happened to Tengal Kamal. One story, our writer is telling us one story about Tengal Kamal. On a rainy evening in August 1981, Kamal, a 25-year-old farmer living in a Goregaon, a suburb of Mumbai, so he was a resident of Mumbai, was working barefoot in his fields. Without shoes, he was working, children. Whenever they are in the field, they have to wear a thick shoes, because what happens is when a snake bites, its fangs should not go inside. Its fangs only will be poisonous. So he was working without any slippers when he suddenly felt a sharp sting on his right foot. Kamal examined his foot and saw two tiny marks near the ankle. So two tiny marks means it is a snake bite. Convinced it was a snake bite, he hastily tied a rope just above his knee and called out to a relative working nearby. So he understood that it was snake bite. So what did he do? He tied a tight cloth or rope above his knee and he called a known person nearby, who immediately took him by taxi to a local doctor dispensary. Unfortunately, the doctor was not fully qualified allopathic practitioner and did not know about anti-venom serum. Okay, they have gone to the doctor immediately, but doctor was not a fully studied doctor. But he didn't know about the anti-venom injection. How to administer? He gave Kamal a pain-killing injection. He gave away pain-killing injection and antibiotic tablets. He told him to rest at home until the pain subsides. And what did he say? You have to rest at home till the pain subsides. But during the next few hours, Kamal felt increasingly giddy and vomited continuously. He was feeling giddy. Giddy means chakarana. And he was doing vomitings. His right foot and lower legs swelled alarmingly and the pain was unbearable. Okay, he was getting lot of pain and there was a swelling in his leg. Kamal's relative rushed him to a large public hospital in central Mumbai. By then it was more than 5 hours since Kamal had been bitten and blood had begun to ooze from the snake bite mark. So it was now 5 hours, children, sorry, 5 hours and 5 hours was over and now blood was coming out from it. His gums were also bleeding. From mouth also he was bleeding. And a soft thin tube put through Kamal's nose into his stomach revealed a large amount of blood. Okay, in stomach also blood has come due to the poison. Fearing that it might already be too late, the doctor gave Kamal an injection of antivenin and began an emergency blood transfusion. So what did doctor do? He has given him the injection of antivenin and he started giving him blood transfusion. Over next 3 days, Kamal was given for 15 such transfusion as well as a repeat shot of antivenom. It was only after the 5th day that he was declared out of danger. After about a fortnight, he was finally discharged from hospital. Okay, on the 5th day, he was declared out of danger, and after about a fortnight means 15 days. After 15 days, he was discharged from hospital. So whenever a snake bites, we should take proper care and go to a proper hospital so that they give us antivenom. We will be safe. Okay, it will fight against the poison that has entered our body due to snake bite. So what you do, children, tomorrow we will see different types of snakes and which is poisonous and which is not poisonous. Now you read the lesson carefully, underline the hard words and learn them, children, and write down in your notebook. Thank you, children. Take care.